Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Kids. Today on Lions Kids, we'll be making a key lime pie. What we're going to need is 16 limes, 6 eggs, a half a cup of sugar, a half a tablespoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of moringa, which is optional, 2/3 cup of sour cream, and 10 tablespoons of butter. 2 packs of graham crackers, 2 14-ounce containers of condensed milk. If you're going to use store-bought lime juice, you're going to just need 1 and 1/3 cup of lime juice. Now we're going to put the 2 packs of graham crackers, the half cup of sugar, and 10 tablespoons of butter in the food processor and grind it together. Now we're going to open the graham crackers and put them in there and grind those up first. Okay. Now we're gonna grind the graham crackers into like a crumbly mix, not all the way fine. Okay. Now we're gonna add the sugar and the butter. And make sure you melt your butter because it won't work if you don't. Now we're going to take our graham cracker crust and put it in the pie pans to make the pie crust. You don't need oil for this kind of pie because you put a lot of butter inside of it, so it won't stick. Now we're going to start juicing our limes. Make sure you clean your limes before you use them. Now we're going to start squeezing the lime juice out of the limes. This is going to take a long time. So we didn't have enough limes for the lime juice, so we're going to need to add 1/3 cup of water because it only made 1 cup. 16 limes only made 1 cup, so we're going to have to add 1/3 cup of water. Now we're going to put the condensed milk in here with the lime juice, egg yolk, the 6 egg yolks, sour cream, vanilla, and moringa. Let's see. Now we're going to use 6 egg yolks, not the egg whites, egg yolks. Now let's try and cook that. Now we're going to add the sour cream. And the vanilla, moringa, and lime juice. Now we're going to mix it until it is creamy. Now we're going to add the pie filling to the pie crust and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now you're going to put the key lime pies in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Now the pies are done, so we're going to take them out the oven. We have to let the pies cool before we decorate them, so we'll be back in a few minutes. Now we're going to make some whipped cream. You're going to need 1 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. One-fourth cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That was a 1/2 teaspoon we just used. And you're going to need the whisk attachment if you're using a stand mixer or a regular whisk. Now we just have to wait for the pies to finish cooking, then we're going to let them cool down and decorate our pies. Now we're going to decorate the pies with whipped cream and limes. We're going to put the whipped cream in a piping bag. Now I'm gonna cut these limes that I cut earlier. There's slices. I'm gonna just cut it in half and then sit it on the whipped cream. And this is how you make key lime pie. Hope you try it at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.